Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here's a cube root puzzle that looks impossible at first. That is cube root of 27 by 16. Most students get stuck here, but I'll show you the easiest trick to crack it in seconds. So our rule reminders say that cube root of a by b, we can write it as cube root of a by cube root of b. Now solve first numerator. So cube root of 27, it's easy, right? Since 3 cube is 27, so we can write this as cube root of 3 cube, and this becomes 3 power 3 times 1 by 3. This will cancel out and the numerator will 3. Now comes to denominator. So we need to cube root of 16. So 16 we can write 2 power 4. Now apply cube root. So split the exponent. So 2 power 4, I can write it as 2 power 3 times 2 power 1. Now cube root of 2 power 4, I can write it as cube root of 2 power 3 times 2 power 1. So this I can write it as cube root of 2 power 3 times cube root of 2 power 1. So this becomes 2 and this is cube root of 2. So cube root of 16, we can write it as 2 times cube root of 2. So that's a clean form for the denominator. Right? Now, so the final answer is cube root of 27 by 16 is 3 by 2 times cube root of 2. And that's it. A scary looking cube root becomes a clean fraction. Now here's a challenge for you. That's a homework question. Cube root of 8 by 27. And comment below. I will pin the first correct answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.